In and out, nice and easy. Yep, I like it. And I got that next upgraded, so I'm not grabbing it with the tongs anymore. I got a big trash can brought to me today. That was brought to me last night. And this, so I got a phone call for today. Guy says, come and get it. I was like, oh my goodness, I'll be there in a flash. I'm talking about a flash. So anyways, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. And I'll be taking that apart, finishing that up tomorrow. I got a good start on it. Got to get some more of this loaded in. I'm taking a trip Monday morning, I guess. I'm going to go maybe pick up a little bit more scrap metal somewhere, fill up my trailer the rest of the way, because I plan on having all this done. Today's just another day, and we'll be back out here tomorrow too, separating some goodness. Got some goodness right here. Copper goodness. Copper goodness. Some nice motors with copper in them. Nice cast. Nice silver contacts and copper and brass. I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff on these, and I'm getting a bunch of them. There's always contacts in your breaker switches. Save them, open them up. You're not gonna make a lot of money, but you're putting it aside for later, and then one day you're gonna be, holy smoke, I can't believe I saved them things. I sure am glad I did. And that's what it's gonna be. But yeah, so this is about as far as I got today. I got as far as I wanted to be honest with you. It's been a good day. I've moved a few things around. I got to where I could back my trailer up here and unload that thing, which was a good thing to start with. I'm cutting this ladder up into pieces like that. The whole thing. The whole thing. I literally ran out of Sawzall blade. I was like, oh man, I didn't have anything to start with, so I was cutting it with junk. And I decided after a few cuts that I'm gonna sell it dirty with the fiberglass in it. I'm gonna cut as much as I can off, but it's gotta go, guys. I'm gonna get all the goodness off of this stuff. This is going to be, and I cannot wait, my copper shot bucket. That's all that will be in there is copper shot. Yeah. All right, well, let me get covered up here, and I'm gonna call it a day. Close up the shop. It is Saturday. I can't even believe it, and I'm gonna make this video for tomorrow morning or Monday morning. I'm not sure. It's gonna be either Sunday or Monday. This video came out, and Scrap my grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? You know the deal. Ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video, because you never know what it might be. You never know what it might be. Boo.